Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karina. If you're new here, welcome. If you are already subscribed or you guys have seen my videos before, thank you guys for watching this video as well. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys my go-to kind of easy glam everyday look that I've been wearing pretty much every single day. Well, not every single day because I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do wear makeup, this has been the look that I've been going to. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit that like button because it lets me know. And don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that little bell so you guys get notifications when I upload. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the video, guys. Okay guys, so first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. This is like one of my favorite things to use when I'm needing my makeup to stick like all day long. And it's kind of like a really good hack too, because you can just get this at the drugstore. Like, it's not an actual primer, but it works so well. And I heard about this like a while ago on YouTube from a couple different YouTubers. Like, they were just like raving about this. And so I've been using it a lot recently, and I actually really like it because it's like a post shave balm. It kind of has like a tacky consistency, which I absolutely love. For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This foundation has been like my favorite. It's what I wore on my wedding day, and I've just been wearing it pretty much ever since. Whenever I wear makeup, which isn't every single day, but when I do, I really like to wear this foundation because it is so beautiful. And I am in the shade M3.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just on the back of my hand, just take like 2.5 pumps. And then lately I've been applying it with my beauty blender. I was applying it with a brush. I was applying with the Morphe M439 for a while, and I really like that still, but lately my skin's been really dry, so I've been applying it this way. So I will just take my beauty blender and just dip it right into the foundation and start pressing it into the skin. Now, the reason I like applying it this way is because you're applying it with a damp beauty blender, you're pressing in more moisture into your skin and making it super hydrated, as opposed to going in with a brush and kind of giving it a more matte finish. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and I'm using the shade Medium. Now this is really light on me right now, but I actually don't mind that because I really like to brighten up my under eye. I have really bad dark circles, and at least I feel like I do, so I like to go in with a concealer that's a little bit more brightening to brighten up that under eye area even more. So I'm just gonna take the Morphe E8 just to apply this underneath the eye. And I like to take it up onto my eyelid as well. Now this concealer is definitely full coverage. It's super creamy. It's waterproof, which is super nice as well, especially in the summertime. I feel like that's just like such a nice thing to have for a concealer, really for any of the makeup that you're going to be wearing, but concealer I love because if I don't want to wear foundation, I could just apply some concealer to the spots that are needed, and then if I'm going to go float the river or just hang out outside, like, I know that it's not going to go anywhere It's not gonna sweat off, anything like that. And I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and just really buff it all in. Okay, now to set everything, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Hydro Perfect translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna take the Morphe M438. And this is like my favorite brush to set everything with. It's just so nice. And I like to pat it in just simply because I feel like it really just presses the powder in there and ensures that you're not moving any of this product. Okay, so now just for a little bit of an extra something underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this contouring and highlighting palette. This is just the Measurable Difference palette, and I'm gonna go in with these two kind of peachy shades right here, and taking that same brush, I'm just gonna take a little bit of each and then just place that nicely right under the eyes. And the reason why I'm doing this is because these peachy yellow undertones are really going to cancel out any purple or darkness that I have going on underneath my eyes and just really make everything even brighter. Now, I didn't use it today, but another really great inexpensive product if you have a lot of discoloration is the Maybelline New York Master Camo color correcting kit. Now, the reason why I like this is because it comes with 2 color correctors, 2 concealers, and then 2 highlighting shades. Now, today I'm probably going to use this highlighting shade because it is just so beautiful, and it is a cream highlighter, so it just looks so pretty on the skin. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to bronze the face. I'm gonna be using the number 7 bronzer. If you guys watch my videos, you guys have heard me talk about this bronzer so much, but I absolutely love this bronzer. It's so beautiful, and I love that it is a matte bronzer, so it doesn't have any chunky shimmer or glitter in it. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe R2. This is just a nice fluffy bronzing brush. I'm just going to bronze the face. I'm going to take some of it and go up on the forehead. Okay, so I'm going to go in, and because I really like bronzing, I'm going to go in with that same Measurable Difference palette, and I'm actually going to go in with this lower bottom contouring shade, and on an M437, I'm just going to go ahead and chisel out those cheekbones. I don't know why, but this has been something that I have been doing every single day in my makeup routine. I just really love this step. I think it's so good at just like carving everything out. And then I will even take it onto the jawline and just bring it down. And then I'll take a little bit and just kind of contour the nose ever so slightly. And then just a little bit up on the forehead. And I like to just stay really like up here, closer to the hairline with this shade. Okay, so now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M530, and I'm gonna go in with this Balm Springs Longwear blush, and this is in the shade In Full Swing. I'm just gonna take that, just kind of brighten up the cheeks ever so slightly. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my brows real fast, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so now that the brows are done, I'm gonna go in and just do a really quick eye. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And let me just tell you, I am so excited for the new Jaclyn Hill, I think it's called the Volt palette with Morphe, and it's like 4 different palettes. I am so excited for that palette to come out. I can't even begin to explain. So I'm gonna be taking a Morphe M504, and I'm gonna go in with the shades Silk Cream and MFEO, just as transition shades, all over the lid. So now I'm going in with the Morphe M513, and I'm going to go into the shade Pooter, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to work that into the crease. Then I'm going to go into the shade Buns on that same brush and just work that into the outer corner of the eye to deepen that crease even more. Okay, now on a small E18 brush, I'm gonna go in with that shade Pooter again and just buff that on the lower lash line. And then going in with that shade Buns, I do an exact same thing, just kind of buffing it and keeping it closer to the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that Maybelline New York Master Camo Color Correcting Kit, and I'm gonna go into this lower highlighting shade. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just put that right on the lid, just to kind of brighten that area up a little bit. Okay guys, so I just went in and curled my lashes and then put the Voluminous Million Lashes mascara by L'Oreal on. And before I did that, before I put on my mascara, I actually went in and just sprayed my face with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. This is like my favorite skin mist of life. I absolutely love it, and I just really like anything that makes my skin look more dewy. So now that we are done with that, we're probably going to just move on to highlighter, which is like my favorite part of the entire thing. So now for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the Becca Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette, and I'm going to go in with Champagne Pop, and I'm just taking that on a Morphe M510, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of the cheeks. So I pretty much put highlighter everywhere, put it above the brows, just because that really is gonna give like a lifted effect. Put it on the center of the forehead so that just kind of pops. I do have kind of a small face, and so like my feet, I don't know, like I just feel like sometimes I like this part of my forehead to just kind of be a little bit more poppin'. I don't know, that sounds weird, but that's just what I like to do. And then I'll take a little bit of it and put it on the Cupid's bow. And then now that we are done with that, we're just going to go ahead and set the brows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This stuff is amazing, especially if you are like me and you have to fake the brows that you got, because my brows are just really weird. Like, they grow weird naturally, they just lay really funky. I don't know, like when I was growing up, I just felt like I had major like boy brows. Like, I don't know why, but I just felt like my brows were like really boyish, and I hated it. But now we are gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. So I will usually line my lips, but I don't have a lip liner with me right now. So I'm just gonna go in with the NYX matte lipstick. This is in the shade Mason. It's a little bit of like a darker color, but today I'm just kind of feeling it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just apply it Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is just like pretty much what I've been doing every single day. The only thing that will kind of change depending on what I'm wearing or how I'm feeling that day is the lip color. If I do end up going like with something a little bit lighter, usually it'll just be like one of my lip pencils. I'll probably use I'll probably use like this NYX. I'm running out. I need to go get another one. It's so tiny. But I will use the NYX Suede lip pencil in like Soft Spoken. That one's one of my favorites. And then sometimes I will just even go in with like over that with a gloss if I'm feeling a little bit more glossy. Today I was just feeling a little bit more edgy, kind of dark. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because I will be doing a lot more videos really soon. So you don't want to miss out on that. I do makeup, lifestyle, uplifting, really anything, and I vlog a lot too, and Bronson and I are constantly doing videos together, so you don't want to miss out on that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.